Okay, this is my pool pump stuff, and this right here is the motor, which is the Centurion. I know it's upside down, but my pool is making a really loud squealing noise, and it's coming from, I know it's coming from this part right here, but I have no idea what that is. So I'm going to turn it on so you can hear the squealing, but it stays on. It will not go away. And as a result, I have had to turn it off. So here we go. And water is filling up that part like it's supposed to. So I thought maybe once the water filled up in there that noise would stop, but it doesn't stop. It just gets louder. Turn it off. Oh, I did see something drip down there just now. But when I turn it off, if I open this to clean it, because I thought that was what was causing it. So when I do that, I can hear the water draining out of the pipes like it's supposed to. So I just need to know what that part is and if there's something I can do to fix it, or if I should get the guy out here. Thank you.